Alright, today we're going to be working on a GE top load washer, and I've already ran the codes on it and found out that it had a bad lid switch. This one here is not too bad. You just reach up underneath here and you can pull out the lid switch. This was the old one, but basically you just pull it out from under this corner, unplug it, plug the new one in. You gotta take this little benzol here off. You can pop your finger up under here and pop its plastic cover off. Just slide it to one side. It'll fall out. You unplug it. Put the new one back in, pop it back up in the hole, put your little cover back on. And now we're going to fill it up full of clothes and make sure it works. Alright, we got the water going in it now. And by the way, we're working on a GTW 460. A is in Apple, S is in Sam, J is in James, 8WW. We'll let it fill up full of water here. We'll be back shortly. Well, just to show you, the lid is locked. It's on the drain right now, doing this first spin. Then we'll catch it on the finish. Well, it's on final spin. Looks like everything's working out all right. Catch y'all on the next one. Got about 8 towels in there. Oh, and by the way, this is not for kids. I bypassed the lid just so I can watch it work. Normally, you don't do that. This is for technicians only.